Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Technologies. Today we are going to solve this equation. The question is, if a minus 1 by a is equal to 1, find a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4. By looking into this expression, we can simply say that we can convert this expression to a quadratic equation, and from that quadratic equation we can easily find the value of a by applying the formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And once we find this value, then we can simply put this value into this expression and we can easily find the value of a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4. Although this is a way to solve this question, but it may not be an elegant way. So let's try to solve this equation in a different way. So the equation is a minus 1 by a is equal to 1. Let's do square on both the sides of this equation. Then we can write a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 1 square. As we know, a formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we will apply this formula here. Then this will become a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 1 square is 1. Then we can simply write it as a square, this a and this a will cancel out, minus 2 plus 1 by a square is equal to 1. Then we can write a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 1, and this minus 2 from the left hand side, when it will come to the right hand side, it will become plus 2. Then we can write simply a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 3. Now we need to find out the value of a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4. So then again let's do square in both the sides. Then we have to write a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 3 square. Now this is a plus b to the power square. So we know the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let us apply this formula here. So we can simply write a square means a square square plus 2a, that is a square, into b, that is 1 by a square, plus b square, that is 1 by a square square, is equal to 3 square is 9. So we can simply write a square to the power square is a to the power 4 plus this a square and this a square will cancel out, next plus 2, and then this will 1 by a to the power 4 is equal to 9. So we can simply write a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 is equal to 9. Here plus 2, if it will go to the right hand side, it will become minus 2. Then we can write it as a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 is equal to 9 minus 2 is 7. Hence this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.